The traditional way of measuring nitrogen status during the growing season is destructive, time-consuming, and cost-intensive. Therefore, we are using the advanced technology, also known as hyperspectral remote sensing, to monitor the nitrogen status of the plants. The overall objective of our project is to develop an open-source app that is cost-effective, so that if a farmer flies a drone over their field, they should be able to get the real-time nutrient status of the crop, and then they can apply the nitrogen fertilizer based on the real-time nutrient map. We use sensors installed on these drones to capture the light reflected back by the plant, also known as spectral signature. We use that spectral signature to build models using various machine learning algorithms to predict the crop yield as early in the season as we can, so that we can optimize the nitrogen fertilizer application. The overall impact of our project will be that optimum fertilizer application will reduce the nitrate leaching into the groundwater and will also reduce the input cost and will enhance the profitability.